Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of innovative products. Today, we're excited to introduce a must-have for all craft enthusiasts: the Best Clay Beads 7200 PC's 2 Boxes Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced creators looking to unleash their imagination. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit features an impressive collection of 5,520 flat polymer clay beads in 24 vibrant colors. These colors are designed to inspire creativity, whether you're making friendship bracelets, necklaces, or unique keychains. Included in this kit are 550 charming accessories, such as random letter beads, smiley beads, colorful hearts, shells, pendants, jump rings, and lobster clasps. When you open the box, you'll find 2 rolls of elastic string, each 5 meters long, along with a pair of scissors to help you get started on your creative journey. Everything you need for crafting beautiful jewelry pieces is right at your fingertips. Quality is a top priority with Gionlion. These beads are made from durable polymer clay, ensuring they withstand wear and tear while remaining lightweight and comfortable to wear. Each Haisha bead measures 6 mm in diameter, with a 2 mm hole, making them versatile for various crafting projects. Plus, they're safe for children aged 6 and up, so you can feel good about letting your kids explore their artistic side. This kit is not just limited to bracelets. You can create necklaces, earrings, anklets, and even incorporate the beads into other DIY crafts. The possibilities are endless. This makes it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and self-expression in young artists. The popularity of friendship bracelets is making a comeback, and this kit allows you to join the trend effortlessly. Crafting with friends can be a fun and meaningful experience. Share your creations, and perhaps make matching bracelets to symbolize your friendship. In summary, the Best Clay Beads 7200 PC's 2 Boxes Bracelet Making Kit is an excellent investment for anyone who loves to create. Its variety of colors, quality materials, and thoughtful accessories make it a fantastic choice for jewelry making enthusiasts of all ages. Whether you're crafting solo or with friends, this kit promises to provide hours of creative fun. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful product critiques. Happy crafting!